Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here. Today, we're going to be creating this very beautiful fall inspired look using the new edition number 15 palette from Deck of Scarlet. If you're not new to my channel, then you already know the deal on Deck of Scarlet. Shout out to them because they did sponsor this video. If you do not know, Deck of Scarlet is a monthly subscription service. Every month you are charged a beautiful price of $29.95 for some bomb products. Every other month you will get a palette and an additional product brought to you in collaboration with a popular YouTuber. The month in between you will get a kit. So on my channel a few months ago I did do a video on their rose gold kit where they had 3 really bomb products that were centered around the rose gold color. That's what you get in between the months that you don't get a palette. All around the board, it's a good deal. This month, this is what you get. You got the palette in there and then you got the mascara at the bottom. If you open up the palette, you do get 3 eyeshadows, 2 face colors slash pigments, and then also 2 lip colors on this side. And if you guys want to get your hands on the products, there is a link in the description box to head over to Deck of Scarlet to check out the products as well as to get you a little money off. I know I got y'all back. So we are going to go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. Before we get into it, please make sure that you have hit subscribe below. If you ain't subscribed yet, I don't know what's stopping you. I don't know what's taking you so long. You know you just gonna keep on coming back and watching my videos anyway. So please make sure that you hit subscribe below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. And let's hop right into it. Alright, so we are super close today because we are going to go ahead and zoom in on the eye and show y'all what's going on with this palette. As you guys already saw the palette, it does have more brighter colors. They're not necessarily bright, but they do have like that fall feel to it. But I do want to bring it a little bit deeper, just a little bit. I'm actually going to go into the Oracle eyeshadow palette, which is from Deck of Scarlet as well, and they did release this just a little while ago. And I'm going to go into this color Omen, which is right here in the corner, and I'm going to put that into my crease. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to use this color because I wanted it to be like a darker base for the eyeshadow. I feel like using the other colors was gonna be too like bright, so I'm really in love with using the colors in the new palette as like complementary just for fall. I just want it to be a little bit deeper. So in the palette, I'm gonna go into the color Saffron, which can be used kind of as a blush type of color, but also as an eyeshadow. So essentially, I'm just like placing this over the darker color and going in circular motions just to kind of, you know, make that softer and then like blend that color into the skin. We ain't trying to have no lines of demarcation. We all know that that is not cute. We all know it. We all know. From there, I'm going to go ahead and dip into my concealer. I'm going to put a little bit on the lid, and then I'm going to also put some on my hand just so I can grab it as I go. I'm going to take this brush, and this is from Colored Rain, but it's like a paddle brush for concealer, and it's perfect to use for cutting the crease. And I'm going to proceed to carving out my crease. I feel like you guys have seen me cut a million creases, but hey, what's another one? You know? So on the end of my cut crease, I'm kind of just taking the brush and just tapering it off, because I am going to blend that into the darker color here, and just take like a little pencil blending brush and dip that into Omen and blend that color together with that. And I feel like that's definitely the key to making that cut crease blend right there. Because if you just leave that concealer or you just make it like a super like sharp line right there, it's hard to blend that once you put shadow on top of it. So blending that crease color into the concealer kind of is what gives you the start of a perfect blend in that area. Don't say I ain't tell y'all. Don't say I ain't let y'all know. I want to, you know, let y'all in on the tea. Next to that color, I'm going to go into the color Clove, which can be also used as a highlighter, and I am going to use that a little bit later as a highlighter. And with this flat brush, this is from ColourPop, I'm just going to go ahead and place that right here. And y'all see how on the end it's blended, but not completely blended? I'm going to go back into this pencil brush and blend those colors together. So right next to Clove, I'm going to go into Tamarind, I believe is how you pronounce it, and that's this really pretty milky type of shimmer, orange shimmer shade. And I'm gonna put that right next to Clove and blend that towards the inner part of the lid. And I'm telling y'all, this palette has the most creamiest shimmers. Even the highlighter went on like it was like a really nice creamy shimmer shade, and I am in love with that. I'm putting on this color, I'm leaving the slightest bit of concealer area left because I am going to put the gold color right on that in a moment here. So next we're going to go into Turmeric, which is this very beautiful gold, and I tell y'all, this swatch is so pretty. Like, I'm about to just swatch this for you guys. Just for the fun of it. Like, look at that. Okay, like, what is life? So I'm just gonna take the tip of this brush and I'm gonna go into turmeric and I'm going to line there, right there at the cut crease. And then I'm also bringing this down right here and blending it out as my inner corner highlight. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer, and this is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut, and I'm gonna go ahead and sculpt out where I want this to be cut because I want this to be pretty sharp. So of course we're gonna blend that later when we get into face. I just feel like actually taking that concealer and sharpening that makes it like can cut somebody. You know what I'm saying? The lashes today we are using is from LMR Cosmetics. They did just launch lashes. This is in the style Salvaje. For that, I'm gonna go into the mascara that came with this, and then I'm gonna pop the lashes on, and we're gonna get straight to face. For face today, I think I'm gonna go into my pretty, dropped it. For face today, I think I'm gonna go into my Pretty Fresh Hydrating Primer, and this is from ColourPop. When they say it's hydrating, it is definitely hydrating. For foundation today, I'm going to use the combination that I've been loving lately, which is the Instabake Beauty Bakery foundation mixed with the Anastasia Luminous foundation. This has indeed been my go-to lately because I definitely felt like the Anastasia one is like my exact color, but that was for summertime. I've been getting a little bit lighter. I definitely feel like this combination has been better for me. And lately I've been using like a brush to put it on, and then I'll go in with my beauty blender just to like make everything blend seamlessly and just pat over the face, you know? So I went ahead and pulled my mirror right here because I felt like I needed something a little bit closer than the mirror that's right in front of me underneath the camera. That is not doing the job. So to continue with ColourPop Pretty Fresh, they did just launch a concealer as well. I've been wanting to try these. They are a hydrating concealer, so I'm a little nervous because you know your girl got oily skin and I like to stick with things that are matte. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try it. This is in the color Dark 145 Warm. Ooh, and that is the light. Oh, that's real light. So I'm gonna keep going with that right there in the middle. And I'm gonna just see what this looks like. Okay, that's not bad. I do like that color. So I'm gonna continue to go in with this. It just seemed like it was a little light for me right there, but I think it might be safe enough to use today. And what I'm gonna do is, cause I'm still getting a little nervous about the color, I'm gonna go into my Chestnut from Born This Way and see, look, that's my normal color. Do y'all see the difference in that color? Yeah, that's why I was nervous. I'm gonna just go around the perimeter of the lighter color with that one, just so it's not too crazy. Y'all know how you do. You got your forehead looking like that. I just go in with the bottom of my beauty blender and go around that since I have foundation on the bottom of my beauty blender and mute that line. And that way we get a blend. So I'm gonna do some minor contouring today. I'm gonna go ahead and with my L'Oreal Infallible. This is in 435 Coffee. I'm gonna go around the perimeter of the face and do some minor contouring. And I don't know if any of you guys have ever actually tried this. I know I talk about it. It is a very, what's the word? I don't know, it just goes a long way. It goes a really long way. So I'm gonna go ahead and with powder, and for powder today, I am gonna use both of the Mented Skin Silks. Highlight, I'm gonna use light tan, and then for the rest of the face, I'm gonna go into medium deep. And I'm also gonna use medium deep to highlight underneath my contour, because you definitely don't wanna use a lighter one for that, because it's not gonna be cute. So for bronzer, I'm using my Prime Beauty bronzer. Nothing new there. The face is pretty much done almost without highlighter and blush, but you know, she about done. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I feel like so many people will forget or don't realize how important the under eye is. For the under eye, I'm going back into Omen, which is a deep color from the Oracle palette. And I'm kind of connecting where I made the sharp line before. I'm going underneath and just bringing that downwards. Even though I'm gonna smoke this out with the orange color, it just brings it together, you know? I'm gonna go into Saffron from the palette and I'm going to blend that out. And then for my liner, I'm gonna go into this NARS High Pigment Liner, and this is in Broadway. Even though this color is not like orange, it does to me complement the colors that we have going on. And then I'm gonna go in with the mascara that came with this and just make them bottom lashes pop. So, and then I also went into the color Turmeric, which is that beautiful gold color that's right here, and blended this downwards. I'm gonna hop into highlight, and we are gonna use Clove from the palette. And that's one thing I do love about these palettes. Every time that I do review them and do a video on them, I love how versatile they are and how you can use different colors for different things. Clove, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight it up. Ooh. And you know what this color reminds me of? This reminds me deeply of a pressed powder of my favorite highlighter of all time, which is the ColourPop by Shayla highlighter, which is in Pose. This looks just like that, and I think I'm gonna be using this a lot, like a lot. But I do love the fact that I was able to use this in the eyes, and now for a highlight. Now we're gonna go into lips. In the palette, if you open up this side, we do have a couple of lip colors, so I wanna try and see what those look like. I'm gonna dip into Chili, which is the deeper shade that's on here, and take a brush to it and see what that looks. Yeah, that's real cute for fall. Super cute. Oh my god, I really love this color. This is so gorgeous. It's kind of like a demi matte finish is what it's giving me. Let me pull myself together, clean off this mess a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I had to throw in my yellow blazer, you know, to match the eyes, you know, bring it together. My final thoughts on the look. I think she's super cute for fall. I feel like we definitely made the brighter colors work for this season. And this lip, though, she'd caught me by surprise. Like, I didn't know she was gonna be popping like this. I love it. Shout out again to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up, comment below if you want to, and make sure that you have hit subscribe so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.